Hello, Trillion family. Welcome to yet another chart analysis by yours truly, OZ from Trillion Papers Forex. All right, so today we'll be analyzing Euro USD. As you all know, there's a high impact news released today. CPI, that is the Consumer Price Index. Now, for those who are new to trading, the Consumer Price Index is a measure of the change in a basket of goods and services in the US economy, right? So that data is going to be released today, and it usually causes movement in the market. That's rapid and sharp movement in the market. All right. So if you don't know what you're doing, just stay away from the market, especially if you're trading a funded account. Sometimes it's not because you don't know what you're doing, but we have what we call slippages, where the market shoots beyond your stop loss and take profits. And usually it's going to affect the percentage you've determined to risk for that day. So just stay away if you don't know what to do. Or you could actually wait for the news to be released before you take action. All right, so that said, let's look at what Euro USD has been doing for the past couple of days. All right, so we can see clearly that we've been in a downtrend. The market kept making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And for the first time, we're seeing signs of consolidation and a break out of the upper trend line, right? What I observed again is the head and shoulder pattern. That is the potential head and shoulder pattern that is forming right now. All right. So if you draw the resistance here, you can see that the price is at the resistance zone, right? And we could actually draw the support too from here. All right, we have one here, and could actually have another one here. All right, so as you can see, the market is kind of in a range right now. And like I said before, we have a potential head and shoulder pattern forming. All right, as you can see it here. So we have the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and as it is right now, it's not a head and shoulder pattern yet until we see the market breaks out of this zone. That's when it will be confirmed to be a head and shoulder. And if that happens, which I'm expecting to happen during the news, we'll wait for a pullback to this region here before taking long position for a buy, right? So this is what I anticipate to happen during the CPI news. But like I said, we're going to wait. If what we see turns out to, or if the news released makes this price bounce off this support and breaks below this region, right? We can look for sells. We can look for sells, potential sells to the downside. But from what I've seen, I'm more in favor of it breaking to the upside, because obviously you can see for the first time we have price clearly breaking and closing above this down channel, which signifies kind of a change in trend. Not yet, but a potential change in trend. The only time where we can say, okay, this trend has actually changed the direction is when it creates a new high. That is when this happens, when it creates a new high. That will be the first high in a very long time that has been created that is higher than the previous high. All right, so for you to get exact entry points and how I'm going to trade today, you can follow me on WhatsApp and on Instagram. There, I'm going to be sharing my exact entries and exits. Please, if you've been watching this video this long, I would want to plead with you to subscribe to the channel so that other people too can benefit from videos like this. Thank you very much and have a wonderful trading day ahead.